Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal there coming out to speak on the situation in the national capital. Speaks about the rising cases, 186 odd fresh cases that were reported right in the last 24 hours. Kejriwal also announces that there will be no respite to the lockdown, at least for the next week. Kejriwal says that the lockdown will continue in a strict way. In fact, he does empathize with those people who are currently stranded, people who are without job, without basic essentials, of course, who are struggling for basic essentials, who are wanting to get back to work, earn some money, feed their families. It may be a crunch, he says, but he will never be able to forgive himself if this lockdown is lifted and then eventually people are out on the streets, and that would claim lives. Here, Kejriwal making a clear direction on how a lockdown should be prolonged a little longer for the safety of people at large. Let's quickly go over to Ankit Tyagi joining us on the phone line. Ankit, here clearly Arvind Kejriwal has chosen life over livelihood. It's an obvious decision that he's made. What more is a takeaway from here?
Well, Delhi, the number of cases have increased to about 1,900. There are 71 hotspots. Chief Minister today has decided that post-April 20th, no easing of restrictions is going to be done as far as Delhi is concerned. Because remember, when the Prime Minister had announced the extension of the lockdown till May 3rd, he had obviously said that some hotspot places, if the number of cases do come down, then there could be some further easing of restrictions. That is not going to happen in Delhi. The Chief Minister has also said that a reassessment of the situation will be done after 1 week. So at least post 20th April for 1 week, all the restrictions which are strictly being followed in Delhi are going to continue. There are going to be no further exemptions, and there will be a reassessment after 1 week, possibly next Sunday, to see whether Delhi will get any further exemptions.
Right. And he did speak about ventilators there, a lot of the hospitals that aren't equipped enough. He says this is the reason to why the lockdown has been extended, because the hospitals won't be able to handle the load.
Nabila, that's largely the situation all across the country. The medical infrastructure can't be loaded, and this is that across make sure that the hospitals are not overburdened. The existing medical facilities are not overburdened by a rising number of COVID cases. Delhi, which has about 1,100 ventilators, and at this point of time would not be able to take, if there are 2,000-3,000 people, those who are in serious need of ventilators and ICU. So that is why the government has decided that that's going to happen.
Right, Ankit, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. Let's take a quick listen. Arvind Kejriwal, yet again, what he had to say, a few key takeaways.
केंद्र सरकार का कहना है कि जो हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं और जो कंटेनमेंट जोन्स हैं उनमें ढील फ़िलहाल नहीं दी जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्थितियाँ ख़राब हैं और अपने को कंट्रोल करने की ज़रूरत है। दिल्ली में 11 ज़िले हैं। दिल्ली के 11 ज़िले हॉटस्पॉट डिक्लेयर किए गए हैं। तो केंद्र सरकार के मुताबिक तो सभी कंटेनमेंट जोन्स।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.